Hello and welcome! Today we will show you a beautiful and cozy tiny house with a sliding roof. The friend company Optinid has created a unique and interesting tiny house Stephanie. If you like this video, please share with your friends. Thank you for watching. Small but cozy home office and desktop with electronic piano. The cladding is made of spruce. The interior is made of painted spruce. A great house for year-round living and great place to relax and inspire. This tiny house is designed for 6 people. Small living room and bedroom. Interior design ideas. More information about this tiny house in the description. Beautiful kitchen, natural wood table, and compact induction hob. Subscribe and watch new videos.